In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address in QuickBooks. Whether you've recently switched your email provider or simply prefer to use a different email for your QuickBooks account, updating your contact information is a straightforward process that ensures you continue to receive important notifications and maintain a secure connection with your account. Let's dive into the steps. First things first, you'll want to log into your QuickBooks account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll see your profile photo. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. Within this menu, search for and select Manage Your Intuit Account. This is your go-to place for modifying your account settings, including your email address. Once you've clicked through, you'll find yourself on the Manage Your Intuit Account page. On this page, direct your attention to the options listed on the left-hand side. You're looking for the option labeled Sign In and Security. This section encompasses all the security-related settings for your account, and it's exactly where you need to be to change your email. As you move forward, you'll see a series of security options. Here, you want to focus on the one labeled Email Address, and click on it. This section is the gateway to updating your email details, the place where the magic happens. After clicking on Email Address, you'll be prompted to enter your new email address. Take your time here to type it carefully. Any typos could lead to difficulties in logging in or missing crucial communications from QuickBooks. Once you've entered your new email, it's time to confirm it. Typically, you'll need to re-enter it in a confirmation field. This step acts as a safeguard against any typing errors, ensuring that everything is correct before you finalize the change. Paying attention here can save you a lot of hassle down the line. Finally, the last step in this process is to click Save to apply the changes. Don't be surprised if there are any additional confirmation prompts. Some updates might trigger extra security checks, such as sending a verification code to your new email. These steps might seem tedious, but they're crucial for maintaining the security of your account. And that's it. You've successfully updated your QuickBooks Online sign-in email address. By keeping your contact information up to date, you ensure that you won't miss out on any critical account notifications and maintain the highest level of security for your account. If along the way you encounter any issues or need further support, don't hesitate to check out the QuickBooks support page for more detailed assistance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.